One thing I like to do when I'm deep frying proteins is use beef tallow or ghee. Personally, I enjoy cooking with traditional fats because they handle high heat well and give your protein a rich, flavorful finish. Welcome back to Adeejat's kitchen. Watch till the end as I slowly deep fry my fish in beef tallow, then stir fry my vegetables in butter with a little soy sauce and a touch of fresh lemon juice, bringing everything together for a rich, flavorful finish. As you can see, the fish isn't completely submerged in the tallow. This allows me to scoop up the hot tallow with a spoon and gently pour it over the top of the fish. These techniques help the top cook along with the bottom, giving me a more even cook all around. Now that the fish is perfectly cooked, I'm going to set it aside while I saute the vegetables in butter. I'll start with the ginger and garlic and let them saute for just a few seconds until fragrant. Then I'll add the onions, scotch bonnet and cook them for about a minute. Next, I'm adding the cauliflower and letting that cook for about 2 minutes before adding my colorful bell peppers. I'll saute everything together for another 2 minutes, then add a little soy sauce for extra flavor. Finally, I'm adding the fried fish back into the pan, drizzle in a little soy sauce, some pepper flakes and finish everything off with fresh lemon juice. I'll gently stir it together and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And that is how I perfectly saute my vegetables and fish. The vegetables are beautifully cooked while still retaining their natural color and a little texture. And the fish stays tender and juicy without being overly fried or dry. I know I didn't show the marinating process in this video, but I seasoned the fish with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, basil, parsley, oregano, and salt. You will find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Bon appétit! Bye!